Well, hello everybody, this is Clement Saggers, and I'm in my room, and this is a record player, or a turntable that I found. Now I'm going to do a direct upload from the camera, so there's not going to be no editing, and I've got to make this quick. It's a studio standard by Fisher, direct drive semi-automatic turntable. Now when I got this, there was no head shell, but I've taken the head shell off these two other record players here, which I also found with it, because this head shell has a cartridge in it, and the other one doesn't. It's a bit difficult to fit this on here, but that is fitted on there now. There should be a counterweight at the back. It was there when I got it. It seems to have... there it is. The only problem is that when I put this head shell in, we just release it. You can see that the counterweight is too heavy for it, and so I'm going to have to put a little bit more weight on the front before I can use this. I don't have the stylus or needle for this because, well, it wasn't there when I got it. So I've ordered one from the net, and I've also ordered a preamp because none of these have built-in preamps. If we look at the underneath it, this is where I have wired in the new cartridge, and this does turn, but when I got it, the strobe light wasn't working, simply because that had been taken out too, so I've replaced that with a neon lamp, but it's not very bright, so I might replace that with some LEDs. I'm just turning this back around again. You can see the cam which operates the return. I just put the arm over here so it activates engages the gear. When the arm comes here, it should push this little part down. Just push it over a little further and it should. Okay, it's not pushing this bit down, so there's another little repair I'm going to have to do to it. So when I turn this, that moves the arm back to the start position. This has two speeds, two blurry speeds. Can't even get the macro to give us proper focus here. 45 and 33. We've got tons of records upstairs. We've even got some 78 somewhere. There's a speed adjust. Obviously I won't be able to play the 78s on this because it only does 33 and 45, plus I cannot get a proper 78 stylus for this, but it does have the... we'll be able to play the 45s and 33s. I do have a mat for this turntable somewhere. I've got a lot of work to do here. Let's look at the state of this place. Still got all my tape recorders and other paraphernalia. My beat-it up handy cam. My 80s VCR. My computer here. My other computer there. The other VCR, and even a model of a Stephenson's rocket. I'm going to put a shelf here. You can see it's still, I used to have a shelf here, but I took it down a long time ago. Still have the holes and the raw plugs in the wall, so just have to put up some brackets and then I can cut some wood and put up a shelf. Anyway, I think that's just about it for me. There's the fan I recently repaired and the blinds I put up on the window. I might put up the video on YouTube about how I did that, how I put up the blinds. Anyway, I got to go now, so until next time, goodbye. I'll stop recording now.